There's a bird who sings a song of a lost kingdom amongst the trees that echo mass drains. There's a knock at my door, and it's freedom. And all I've got to do is let her in. Oh, howling, howling outside my worry window. Oh, worries, worries, keeping me in. And I don't want to worry no more. No, I don't want to worry no more. There's a man who plays his harp in a city central park. On the rusty bench he sings of modern days. Here hopes another wanderer will pass by, and here, though he's traveled for his travels, and here, oh, howling, howling outside my worry window. Oh, worries, worries, keeping me in. No, I don't